large population of men come into the Deep Aesthetics clinic. One of the reasons is probably because they see my transformation and think, what the hell if I could achieve this? Take a look at some of my favorite before and after transformations. When a male comes into the clinic, they fall into several categories. Most of them, if they are young, so I've been getting a lot of 20 to 25-year-olds. And I know what you're thinking is like, why are people that are so young coming to you? And it's because it's very important when you're that age to be accepted socially. You know, you have more opportunities. I've spoken to a lot of young men and said, why are you coming here? Why is look so important to you right now when you already have so much volume? And they're like, because they're acutely aware of the halo effect. You get more opportunities, you get much more advancement favors, you're perceived in the world differently when you have a better structured, uniform, balanced face, or a face that conforms closer to the golden ratio, which we like to combine in our work. When a young patient is coming to me, what they normally want is that strong 90-degree angle of the jawline, nice square chin, and make sure that their cheekbones are aligned. Whereas when we get the older patient, they are looking more for volume restoration. So they want to look how they did before. So we're restoring more around the tear trough region, maybe around the mid cheek, the nasolabial fold. And if they are going to do jawline, yes, it's nice to have a good jawline and that nice gonolial angle, but what they really want is to get rid of that jowl. They just want that pre-jowl sulcus where you have that hang to lift up and tighten again. So we use a combination of hyaluronic acid dermal fillers, which will last for around about a year to 2 years, maybe even longer. With the older patients, we use the Endolaser Pro fiber optic wire, we use a Morpheus 8, multiple devices, some that work with your body to produce its own manufacture to tighten from underneath, more cellular tissue muscle level, and the dermal fillers that can create contours, and sometimes on a lot of occasions give you a face better than you've ever had. You get a 40 or 50-year-old come to me and I'm gonna make him look better than he's ever looked. Forget when he was 20. And that's a lot of the feedback that we get from our patients. We love doing men at the Deep Aesthetics Clinic. So carry on coming and thank you so much.